Hello, I am Alexandra from Realizing Mommyhood. Today's video will be the XOXO buckle wrap with a carry called Xena. And I will be using a size large sling ring. My 5-year-old is helping me out today. So, should we get started?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. If you don't know how to get to this place, you need to watch the other basic XOXO back carry video. And when you can do that, you can come try this. So you will cross and go back. Okay, now we will tighten that. Okay, now the other side.
We can tighten at
Okay, now if you still need to tighten, you can do that. It's easier if you tighten between both sides. But you will have 3 and 3. So that is Xena XOXO carry. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure to subscribe and watch for more XOXO videos. to be coming soon. Thank you for helping me today.
You
And thank you for watching. Bye.